Hello everyone, my name is Diksha Sharma.
My name is Dimple.
Today, in this video, we will share some legal updates with you.
Supreme Court questions Army policy to reserve higher number of check posts for men than women.
The Honorable Supreme Court held that statement furnished in FIR by one accused cannot be used against another accused.
Supreme Court direct shifting all the stray dogs in Delhi in dog shelter.
The Supreme Court rejects PIL seeking amendments in the IT Act to provide stricter punishment for the cyber offenders.
Supreme Court asked lawyer to apologize to Telangana High Court judge for making scandalized punishment.
The Rajasthan High Court orders removal of all the stray dogs and other animals from the roads.
Supreme Court issue notice on PIL seeking sub-quota for economic weaker section within reserve category.
The Supreme Court upholds Punjab jail officials' conviction for helping under trials escape attempt.
Adverse possession plea cannot be raised for first time at appellant court.
The Lok Sabha Speaker announces 3-member committee for the inquiry in Yashwant Verma case.
Journalists and judges must remain free from fear, bias, ex-CGI Sanjeev Khanna.
The Bombay High Court held that merely possession of Aadhaar card, ration card and voter ID will not be a proof of Indian citizenship.
Supreme Court cancelled bail of Olympian Sushil Kumar in murder case.
The Supreme Court directed district-wise survey to check implementation of POSH Act by employers.
Supreme Court to hear plea seeking restoration to statehood for Jammu and Kashmir.
Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai, will look into the matter of shifting stray dogs from the roads.
No 5-star treatment for accused or we will suspend jail superintendent.
The Supreme Court held that the experience as judicial officer for 3 years will not be counted towards 3-year practice rule.
Supreme Court imposed rupees 1 lakh fine on BSNL.
The Election Commission of India has power to conduct SIR, but the procedure should be voter-friendly and reasonable.
Supreme Court takes suo motu cognizance to struggle faced by cadet disabled during military training.
After disqualified as MLA, Abbas Ansari urges Supreme Court to relax bail conditions in Gangster Act case.
Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai inaugurated Bombay High Court new circuit bench at Kolhapur.
The parties who consented to arbitration cannot challenge award on the ground of non-arbitrability. That's all for the day. Thank you.